In today's world, people from the left and right often see each other as enemies. But underneath the arguments, both sides share human needs for safety, fairness, freedom, and belonging. Let's listen in as two people, one left-leaning, one right-leaning, try to understand each other using nonviolent communication. Opening misunderstanding. Left. When I hear politicians cut social programs, I feel worried and frustrated. I need to know that vulnerable people aren't left behind. Right. When I hear that, it sounds to me like you don't trust people to take care of themselves. I feel misunderstood, because I value responsibility and freedom. Naming needs. Left. I hear you. You're not against compassion, you're asking for personal responsibility. Is that right? Right. Yes. And I hear you want safety and fairness for people who might not have equal chances. Clarifying misperceptions. Left. Sometimes I worry conservatives don't care about inequality. But when I listen now, I see it's more about believing that freedom gives people dignity. Right, and I sometimes assume progressives just want control. But hearing you, it sounds like your need is for fairness and protection, not domination. Finding common ground. Left. So maybe our shared value is dignity. For me, that means protecting people from falling too far. Right, and for me, dignity means allowing people to rise by their own choices. Left. Different paths, but the same route. Hot topics. Right. Take immigration. I often feel uneasy when borders aren't enforced. My need is for security and stability. Left. I feel sorrow when I see families turned away. My need is for compassion and justice. Right. So one of us is holding security, the other is holding compassion. Both are real needs. Left. Exactly. What if policy tried to honor both? Values under attack. Left. When you hear talk of equality, do you ever feel accused? Right. Yes. I often feel blamed, as if success means I'm guilty. My need is for respect. Left. I can understand that. And when you defend tradition, I sometimes feel excluded. My need is for belonging too, but in a broader circle. Right. So both of us need belonging, just expressed differently. Meta-reflection. Narrator. Notice what's happening. Instead of attacking, both sides speak about their feelings and needs. This transforms accusations into understanding. Conclusion. Left. I'm leaving this conversation seeing you differently. Not as someone against fairness, but as someone who deeply values freedom. Right. And I see you not as someone trying to control me, but as someone who longs for justice. Together, we don't have to agree on policies to recognize each other's humanity. Final thought. The left and the right often misinterpret each other's intentions. But when people slow down and speak from feelings and needs, the conversation shifts. It doesn't erase differences, but it creates space for dignity, compassion, and even cooperation.